Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Android Find My Device. Here are the clear steps to use Android Find My Device to locate, lock, or erase your lost phone. This requires that Find My Device or Find Hub is enabled on your lost phone and that is connected to the internet and signed into your Google account. Part 1. Make sure Find My Device or Find Hub is toggled on. On your Android phone, open these settings. Tap Google or Find My Device, Security, or Password and Security. Tap Find My Device or Find Hub and make sure the switch is turned on. Part 2. Access Find My Device from another device. On a computer or another phone, open a browser and go to search for Find My Device or Find Hub. Sign in with the same Google account used on your lost phone. Wait for the site to locate your phone on the map. Use the tracking options. Tap your phone name at the top, then hit the gear icon, the Find Hub. Here, tap on Find Hub app or Find Hub web. So I choose web. Choose your phone, then check the device location on the map. Approximate by zooming in or zooming out. Tap play sound to make it ring even if it's on silent. Tap secure device to lock it and display a custom message. Tap erase device if you believe it's stolen and want to factory reset it remotely. Once done, monitor the location updates. The site will show when the phone was last online. And that's it. You've successfully used Find My Device to manage or locate your Android phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.